What if a motorcycle didn't just turn heads, but stopped traffic? What if power, luxury, and pure art came together on two wheels? Today, we're talking about a machine that feels more like a rolling sculpture than a bike, the 2026 Honda Valkyrie Rune. Welcome back to the channel, everyone. You're watching Biker Wish, where we talk about legendary bikes, future machines, and motorcycles worth dreaming about. If you love power cruisers, exotic design, and rare Hondas, make sure you watch this video till the end, because this one is special. What is the Valkyrie Rune? The Honda Valkyrie Rune is not a normal cruiser. It was never meant to compete with Harleys or Indians in numbers. The Rune was created to show what Honda is capable of, engineering without limits. And in 2026, Honda brings this icon back with modern tech, brutal power, and even more presence. Design and road presence. Let's start with the design, because honestly, that's the first thing you notice. The 2026 Honda Valkyrie Rune looks long, low, and absolutely massive. That stretched wheelbase, the sculpted aluminum frame, the single-sided swing arm, and that huge front wheel give it a futuristic muscle bike stance. This bike doesn't blend in. It dominates parking lots, highways, and bike meets. Honda keeps the Rune's signature flowing lines, but adds full LED lighting, updated digital analog display, premium paint options with deep metallic finishes. This is a motorcycle people photograph before they even ask what it is. Engine and performance. Now let's talk about the heart of the beast. The 2026 Honda Valkyrie Rune is powered by a massive flat-six engine inspired by the legendary Goldwing platform, but tuned for performance and sound. We're looking at around 1800 cc displacement, smooth but aggressive power delivery, massive low-end torque, that unmistakable six-cylinder exhaust note. This bike isn't about racing, it's about effortless power. Roll the throttle and the world moves backwards. Highway cruising feels relaxed, but when you twist the grip, the Rune reminds you it's a monster. Ride quality and handling. Despite its size, Honda engineering shines here. The Rune features advanced front suspension, premium rear shock setup, low center of gravity. It feels planted, stable, and surprisingly confident in corners for a bike this